That didn't take long, guys. Nice little channel cat. There. Good size for fish tacos, ain't it? Hey guys, our last night here at camp, so we're gonna fix some fish tacos for tonight. Get some grease heating up, some oil. We've got half part cornmeal and half part flour, and then we're just going to add in some chicken taco seasoning mix into that. We've got to finish cutting up our catfish we caught yesterday. I didn't. Turn the oil down. I didn't cut all the fat off of it. If y'all can see that in there or not, but we'll finish doing that right quick. It's kind of cold and I was in a hurry. I'm going to just kind of cut that in about the length I'm going to use, and then make sure all the hides off. And you can kind of see them rib veins, fat right in there. Just kind of go through real thinly and slice that off of there. Some people leave it on there. I don't. I like a good clean taste, and that'll take all that fish taste. You don't want none of that in there. And then that middle vein, kind of cut that out. That ain't nothing but just fat. Kind of bigger the fish, the more it'll have on it. Even some of the small ones have that on there. There you got just some good clean pieces of meat right there. Super good tasting. Especially they're caught in the cold water. You can see that one kind of, most of it's off of there. Just go right down that middle vein again. If you leave a little piece on there, cut that off there. And you won't have none of that chewy or bad taste in there if you'll do that. People say big fish ain't big to eat. It's because they don't trim that off of there. No matter what size of fish, as long as you trim it good. Gotta take them out and wash them off a little more, but got all that. You just kind of see them. You can feel it too. It's a little bit tougher. Leaving that little bit of yellow meat right there. Sometimes I'll leave that on there. I'm just going to fry it for just a little bit. It don't hurt as much. You can just kind of see that fat, gristle type stuff in there. You open it up, you can see if you didn't get it all right there. Alright, you can kind of see what come out of some of that. That white ain't nothing but fat. Take just a little bit of time to do that, and those fish won't be tough at all unless you overcook it. It's so tasty. Good clean taste. A lot of it you can take off when you fillet them. Get that knife just right in between the hide and the meat. That outer one. Okay. You can take most of it off. I don't know if I've got a piece with a lot in there or not on there. I try to always take most of that off. You can see some right there. It's taken. Said you can fillet that. Get it off of there when you fillet it. A lot of people leave this middle section in there, but you actually hear that knife cutting through it. And you just got good white catfish meat. Very good. I don't know how much we need. I don't know how hungry she is.
Just making tacos.
Making these fish tacos, so good pieces of meat there. Like I said, that's all the scraps you wind up with right there. Alright, I'll go outside and wash these off right quick. Get them ready to go in the oil. Okay guys, got the fish washed there. Said this is usually when we're doing it, we use a half a cup of cornmeal, half a cup of flour. Usually kind of what we need for the two of us. Like I said, we're just going whatever brand you want. We just chose a chicken taco seasoning. We're going to try this. Pour that in the bag. I don't know how much. Mix that up. How about all of it? What all in there? Alright. Got some batter in here. See that or not? Kind of damped our fish off a little. Let's try. We've had our oil heating since we started this process, so it should be plenty hot. Okay. Got flour all over my hands. Let's drop one of them right there in the pan. Like so. Put two in the pan without pulling the grease off too much. If you've got any good fish taco recipes, y'all, comment and let us know your favorite recipe. because we're taco nuts around here. Give that a few minutes and take it out. Alright, got it. Look here. Looking good. Look at that. Get some more in there. We dry batter them. You can do the wet batter on this too if you like. We just do the dry batter. Alright. Yeah. I just went to the bag. Went to the bag with them. Don't know what happened to that piece. Part of it's gone. Yep. Okay, got it. Good looking fish. Frying up nice. Got a few more pieces. She's outside getting the condiments that we want on it. Some tortillas. My favorite. I like the little street tortillas. Connie sauce. Someone knocked the camera over.
That would be you.
Texas Pete. Sour cream. Tartar sauce. Rose. Cheese. Guacamole. You got more stuff than will fit on the tortilla shell. Okay, fix to get the last bit out the fryer. Right straight on the tortilla that time. Both of them on there?
Might as well throw them on. Thank you.
Alright.
Look at that. I'm going to put a little sauce. Hope I like salsa on it. I'm so different than you.
That's it, guys. If you got a favorite way that you make fish tacos, comment and let us know. I'm willing to try it. Let's see if it's good.
And I want a little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt, she said.
And then I'll get more fish, but I'll do that with tartar sauce. My only fish taco. Right?
Yeah, this fish is just good to eat with that taco seasoning. You don't have to put it on a taco to make it, but
not too bad.
my little tortillas. Didn't have no grated cheese, so sliced cheese will do. Do have some cheese and a grater to do it, but too hungry. Just throw it on there. Okay. Got your piece of fish you want.
Save me some more fish because I'm gonna eat some with just
You
tartar.
guys,
It's good though.
how flaky that is. Just flakes right open. Okay. I'm just going to put a little dip and chip sauce, and that's all I had. On there.
Pretty good.
I'm hearing they're good from the crowd behind me. Yeah. Let's try one.
Not bad, huh?
It's definitely worth eating. You
You can put lettuce on it. You could put shrimp.
Yeah, you could put lettuce on it. Any of the condiments you want. Guacamole, lettuce, sour cream. Or you can just eat the fish with tartar sauce. If you like tartar sauce, or just eat it with Texas pizza sauce, Louisiana sauce.
It's good. I put sour cream on mine. It's good with it.
Just kind of way we fixed them, guys. Like I said, comment how you fix them. And remember, if you like our videos, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. We try to put out new videos every Friday morning. Good.